What's going on, vlog? Here we are. About to hop on these jet skis. You already know it's officially my birthday. So let's get it. Ready?
It's November, where the fuck is Broadway? Young nigga way out of state. Fucked up, getting over pain. Look how far a nigga came. You remember I ain't have a thing. Fuck.
We out here, vlog is lit. Right here on the jet skis, baby. You already know. Wish me a happy birthday in the comment section below. You guys, I love you. Natalie's back there with Esmeralda somewhere. It's lit. Let's get it.
Walking through the rain. At the top of the game, should've seen the niggas I was trying to bring. It's crazy the way these niggas change. Tell the city girl chill. You know, baby, mama know the deal. She know I okay, let's switch the subject. Notice that both of my wrists is flooded. I've been grinding so hard getting to this money. I've been working like I know the drought is coming. Monday to Monday, Sunday to Sunday. You know I'm street running. Okay, my daddy was a gangster. What the fuck that made me? Niggas claiming that it's love, dog, but it can't be.
What's up, vlog? Here we are. We're going full speed, so I couldn't take the camera out, but we're right here just stationed up. El Puente, Teodoro Moscoso, tú sabes, estamos aquí chilling, having a great time, man. You already know. There's everybody. We lit, baby. Had to pull out the camera because we're literally only going to do this once. This trip. I was gonna say once in a lifetime, but ain't no way, boy, we gonna be outside. Alright, we're gonna get to this next bridge and then turning you guys off and picking up. We gotta see all the animals. Check it out, y'all. Alright, now I'm turning it off. We're going full speed now. Bro, look at this view. We're in the middle of the ocean. Right, Bentley? It was lit, huh? Having a good time?
Yeah.
Woo! I hope you guys like this type of content because obviously we can't do this every day, you guys. Here comes Natalie with Esmeralda. How are you guys doing over there? Good?
How many miles per hour did you go, Mommy?
Alright, y'all. We're going to continue on. Oh, guys, you're able to jump in and get in the water. I just some flips off of the jet ski, man. This is definitely exactly what I imagined for my 30th birthday, you guys. Please, if you could do anything for me, hit that like button and subscribe. Check it out, y'all. Just sitting here waiting for everybody to get it together so we can get her going. I'm trying to see if this is focus.
No, I fell in love with guns by the age of 13. In my pocket, rocket on me, home and don't reach. Fuck down in my Cuban link. I'm living in my rich and Italy. I just finished my tour, a wonderful feeling. I got inside my bag and got out my feelings. I'm on my feelings. Hey there, everybody, what's it like in your city? I'm 1,000 miles away, but look tonight, you look so pretty.
What's up, everybody? So on our last day, here we go in La Vela. Yeah, just checking it out. Let's go. I found the dogs I was gonna take home, y'all. Look. Hit that like button and subscribe because Esmeralda is hot and tired. I am too, but we're sitting here pushing. Let's go.
This time you see the good view. Ahí quieto. No. Se puede caer.
Stanley.
He already there. Wait for us.
Sí, pero tenemos que cogerla. Dale tú con papi. Yo, check this out. Living life, baby. Ay. Oh no, I was just. Huh?
Here we go, guys. This is good. Take Guzman all the way. Pero it's not my turn. Dale, Brian. Hacho, mira a mi nieto que no me puso palito, que yo le enseñé. Nada, Sammy. Mira, Dani desde aquí, Dani, mira desde aquí. Y mira.
Mira la cara.
Uno a la cátedra, y otro aquí, otro de acá.
Hers look good.
Ooh, that looks so yummy. Thank you.
Pipe that shit up, TNT. Oh yeah, I'm watching. What the fuck is wrong?
Saddest part of the trip, you guys, goodbyes are so bad. We haven't spent even that much time together, but
¿Ya?
what?
Hey! Don't worry.
La familia es
Be
grande.
happy. Guzman Flores,
Don
family.
Guzmán, bendecido.
Muy bendecido con todos mis nietos. Una bendición del cielo. Yes.
Y esta guapura
Bendición
de
del cielo.
nieto.
Mis nietos bellos aquí.
Who is
todos.
my favorite boy? Y coloqué aquí la llave.
I really wish we lived.
Dalmau Auto Rentals.
here we are, guys, traveling on our way back. This is the airport in Puerto Rico. Jewelry and stuff. There she is. Travel with us, guys. Back home. Oh, there she is. Just here, guys, chilling. Houston, 5-hour layover.
So what time does our flight be?
10. I know. So
I
we'll
thought
be
our
in
flight-
Madison super late, and I'm not
I
going
thought
to
we
work
got
until
there.
noon tomorrow. Let's go.
I thought we got